here I am, episode number 2, doing my cooking, and I thought I'd take you on a little journey. Parked up, thought, what am I gonna make today? The hard thing about cooking in your van, obviously cooking on that, but you need to organise everything. All right, so I look back over here and I think to myself, what am I gonna cook first? What can I afford to cook early that I can just leave on the side? Chilli.
Chilli did the capsicum.
Got the thyme, salty. Ooh, chuck a bit on there, doesn't hurt. Lemon. Yeast. Get this out of my kitchen. Just chuck them up there. No worries. Oh my God, stop it, you're touching my lemon.
Oh, my nut.
Not too much, I don't like going over the board. As well as doing all the prep, get it on. Did I spill that? Fuck. Time for the mushrooms. I like to get my herbs in there first, you know? Get them in, I love thyme. Chuck some chilies in there as well, fuck it. We got the garlic. Just another little cracked pepper. Time to cook up the snoppies and the tomato. The good thing about is that's cook, you chuck the lid on. It's like a little mini oven, you know what I mean? I like doing it with my eggs as well. Chuck a lid on, cooks it from the top. Thank you, Seani. Eggs. So I've changed it up, right? I was going to do an omelette, but because I've cooked everything in this one pan, sometimes you've got to change. So I'm going to do scrambled eggs. That's okay. Fucked up. Cheese. It's tough, you know. Cooking from your van, everything's so compact. You know, you don't have much room. Don't have much room to operate. So you just got to try to make do with the space that you got. And I reckon that's not too bad. There you go. I don't know what the fuck I've just made. Looks like I got some scrambled eggs. I got some avocado. I got some lettuce, my lemon dressing with I got my tomatoes with my snow peas, capsicum. Amazing. I got my bacon and my mushrooms. Fucking brilliant. Anyway, that's basically done today. I've had a blast cooking in my van. I'm gonna do more of these because I have so much fun doing them. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Yo! Cleaning sucks.